Hey there folks, Marco here from Mountain Strength and Fitness, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the barbell box squat. So similar to a barbell squat, you're going to set up off the rack, step under the bar, tighten the shoulders and get the bar up on your traps. You're going to take a step back until you're at the corner of the box, just in front of it a little bit, and you're going to squat back by breaking at the knees and the hips at the same time. Now we're going to maintain that tension in our body, but allow yourself to sit on the box for 2 or 3 seconds to release any stored energy so you're not bouncing back up. Then you're going to push back up and repeat a few times. Now what's great about this squat variation is that it develops some concentric strength, so that's the strength to push up out of the bottom of a deep squat. And it also helps get your posterior chain muscles more involved by forcing you to start from that dead stop where they're more effective, where they're more active, I should say. So things you want to look for is your starting position. You want to find a box at a height where your hips are slightly below the level of your knees, or at least parallel at the same height. As you get more advanced, you can go deeper. If you're very unstable at first, start a little bit higher and gradually work your way down. So yeah, folks, I hope that was helpful for you, and that is the barbell box squat.